if I go down here, you can notice right now this is Oceanwide, but this is not set to all caps mode. And notice some things are happening here. See how this line, it looks lower than the E stroke here. And this on the numbers, this looks lower. And then if you look at the period and also some of the colon and stuff like that, it doesn't quite look the best because this period is made to match the lowercase. You see, this part, that's the up and down part of the T or the I or any letter. On the uppercase, that is traditionally a little bit thicker than on the lowercase. That helps the uppercase be dark enough for the lowercase. But what happens is in a lot of fonts, you just have the same punctuation. It's the same height. That's the most obvious thing, but it's also the same size, which means it's a little bit too small. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this to capital punctuation by going over to our layers, pushing T to select all the text, highlighting everything, and then going in our properties panel down to selecting all caps mode. You can see some things that happened here. The colon moved up, the hyphen moved up, the period got a little bit bigger. So now this has punctuation that is perfectly matching the uppercase. So this is for a invitation card. Let's see how it looks in the mock-up. So isn't that nice? Even punctuation perfectly matching for the uppercase.